How to enable dark mode on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how can you enable dark mode on your Instagram app. It's a very easy and simple process to learn it. You have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram app, and you have to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. To check it, open Play Store and then search Instagram, and then check your Instagram is up to date or not. If any update is available for your Instagram app, then update your app. After updating your Instagram app, then open it, then go to your profile, and then at the upper right side you will get three lines. Tap on it, then tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down, and here you'll get accessibility, and then tap on dark mode, and then tap on. And as you can see that the dark mode has been enabled on my Instagram app, and that's how you can get dark mode on your Instagram app. I hope this video helps you. Then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.